All right, so I bought these, and they screw right into your valves on your tires, and they light up, and they give you all kinds of different sparkly lights. And I got them for $6.99 at Marshall's. And it's pretty simple. There's 3 batteries. Name up. You slide them in, screw it down, but the batteries are already in there. You just have to open it up and take the things out of it. So I'm not going to even screw with this. I'm just going to cut right down the middle. You know, they say don't give this to kids because they could swallow the batteries. So I understand that. The hardest part is actually getting it out of this thing here. So here's the unit itself. And I'll do this one so that you can see how it works. All right, so anyway, what you have to do is you have to unscrew this cap. All right, and then just set her over here to the side. Let me see, make sure that, oh, look, good, great. So anyway, the piece of plastic is right here. So that's got to come off. Once that comes off, it should be able to screw back in, and it should light. These batteries, let me go ahead and get them. See if I can get them to come out. Of course, they don't want it now. Oh, there we go. There's 3 of them, right? And they come in this little plastic case. But here's the type of battery it is. It's an LR1130, all right? And so when you put it into this container right here, it has to go with the face down this way. So this is the way you slide it in, just like that. That's it. And there's 3 of them stacked on top of each other. So now that's in there. So let's go ahead and grab this bad boy. And let's just go ahead and hook it in. See what happens. All right, so that's it. Now this looks like the on button, and it's supposed to have 4 or 5 different things that it does, so let's check it out. So there's 1, it's just a constant stream of light. There's 2, it's blinking, strobe light, gonna go into a seizure any moment. Then there's 1 that's going back and forth like safety lights. Then there's up and down, up and down. Then there's down and up, down and up, down and up, depending on the way you're looking at it. And then there's whatever that is, up and down all at the same time. And then there's this one where it just goes back and forth. And then you turn it off. So you got to go through a couple permutations to get it to turn off. And basically that's it right there. And then we just screw that into the bike's valve. And that, as you're driving, it looks like this thing is shoo. So we're going to try it tonight on the outside and see how it goes. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this bike wheel LED lights. Peace out.